Let me quickly explain how we can charge OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro. We've got actually one method. This is the wired method with this USB-C cable. So if you want to use the power adapter, for example, from your phone, for sure you can do this, because in the box we get information that the power adapter doesn't actually come with this device. And we've got also recommendation from 3 to 5 watts. But I'm using this one from Xiaomi, and it's definitely much powerful. This is the like 10 watts charging brick, but it works fine with my OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro, so we can for sure use your power adapter. You can also try to recharge this earbuds and the charging case by using cable, not original cable. This is also cable from my phone, and you can try to connect this inside your port of the phone. And as you can see right now, you can recharge your case and the earbuds with your smartphone. But you can also connect this cable, for example, to your PC, to your game console, to your TV or power bank. And that will be all. Thanks for watching.